How to manage comments notifications on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage comments notifications on Facebook mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Facebook and click this one, just two lines here, and now just go down until you find here settings and privacy and click on it, and then click this one, settings, and then just go down until you find this one, notifications. Click on it, and here just click this one, comments, and then as you see here you can manage comments notifications on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.